talking about dogs, right? The biggest dogs, the biggest dog. You know, out of every group, we got a big dog. But check this out. We got the motherfucking demon out there. You know what I'm saying? You got the blue demon. You know, you gotta do that thing. This ain't. Yeah, this that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we got the blue. We got the indigo blue. Barely even drive the motherfucker. They say, yo, this is goddamn we got a demon for you. We need to come out and do this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker breathing.